Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a Brdclip hair trimmer, and this is the Brdclip with the model number TF339. Okay, yeah, TF339. I saw it. It looks like a gamma shorty, something like that, and yeah, that's why I said okay, I need to get it. And it's written got metal body, which is good. And what else? Two gear, I mean two speeds. Got 1200 milliamp battery, 2.5 hours charging time, and 180 minutes operating time, which is good. Just take a good look. This looks like gamma shorty. Got three colors. No, it doesn't come with three colors. Just you can choose from three colors, you know, gold or yellow or something like that, blue and red. So I guess I took the yellow or red. I don't really know. So yeah, so now let's open it and see what we got inside. So just the body looks like this. Okay, and here is what's written. Okay, nothing really special. So now we open it, and it's like this. Somehow the packaging is cheap, you know. So it's all good. Inside comes like this. Yeah, yellow one. Okay, and it's written got metal body, but the weight doesn't feel like metal. I don't know. I can't really say. Maybe not. But here is plastic. The front here is plastic, and the back maybe not. So USB-C charging, and this is the TPOB cycle blade type of blade. You know, Babyliss type of blade. You know. So as you can see, it's really cool. This thumb indent here, it's not bad. And I received it, and I tried to zero gap it. You cannot zero gap this blade. So now let's make a sound check. Two speeds, and it's not a fast trimmer. To be honest, I'm not a fan of this one. Really, they would have made these grooves more better. It's okay, but I don't know if maybe it's cut good. But for me, it's a cheap hair trimmer. And you got indicator here, as you can see. So, and inside, I almost forgot. Comes with as usual, you know. Oh, charging dock also, which is good. Got a little bit weight to it. This charging dock is okay, but the trimmer is somehow cheap. Okay, it's slippery, as you can see. Yeah, comes with a lot of guy combs. Manual and charging cable. Yo, I don't know. So now to the hair clipper. It also looks like a shorty, you know, gamma shorty, and just the same like the hair trimmer. Three colors, and you can choose from these three which one you want. And it comes with no faceplate, extra faceplate. No, you know, it's written got metal body, you know, full metal. No, not full. Yeah, charging dock, LED display, and the model number TF619. Okay, Brdclip comes with two speeds, 1800 milliamp battery, 2.5 hours charging time, and 180 minutes operating time. Just the same like the hair trimmer. Okay, and inside also the same. So open it up. It's exactly the same like the hair trimmer. Okay. Oh, this one is a little bit heavy, which is good. This is it. As you can see, this one looks good. Looks good, man. Yeah, some indent and feels really good. This is what I'm talking about. Compared to the hair trimmer, it's almost flat. So I don't really like this one, but this one feels really good. USB-C charging, as you can see. Click a lever, 5 clicks, 5 clicks, and okay, that's the blade. And it's not a tin cutter blade or ceramic. It's not a ceramic cutter blade. Okay, check it out. Here, I really like. Looks premium, you know. Feels good. I really like it. Okay, as usual. Charging dock. Slippery. Oil. So it's a very cheap accessories. So now let's make a sound check. So you can hear. Two speeds. It's not that fast. So from what I know, they said both of them got 7,500. So the first speed should be 7,000 and the second speed should be 7,500. But from what I'm seeing, it's not up to 7,500. It's okay if it's not up to 7,500 as long as it got good, higher torque, which is good. So, but this one, I won't lie. For me, it's not powerful enough. It's not powerful enough for me. It's too, I don't know. But this one looks okay. The weight is really good. Looks good. And this finger indent, it's good. And you can change the blade if you want to wall blade or wall type of blade, like TPOB type of blade, Babyliss type of blade, not Andes. Okay? Yo. But the problem that I got with this hair clipper is this lever. This lever sucks. As you can hear, click. It's like it's jumping back, sometimes, most of the time. Okay. As you can hear, most of the time when you make a lever open very fast and release your finger, somehow it jump back. That's you hear. Yeah. If maybe I can change the lever and it's good, maybe I can modify this hair clipper. Maybe. So that's it for the unboxing of this Brdclip hair clipper and a hair trimmer. And yeah, peace, man.